Hello everyone, welcome back again to Mufasu CAD channel with the Dibac CAD basic tutorial how to use a curve wall. Okay, for example, I will create wall. You can click this icon wall. Okay, we create wall to this point, move to the bottom and click at this point. Now I will create a curve wall. You can click this icon curve wall. Okay, I will click at this point for first point, and the second point you can click in here. Next, you can specify curve for this object. Okay, I will click in here and I will click outside. Okay, we create a curve wall. You also can create a curve with a circle object. Okay, I will use a circle object, and with a 2 point you can tap 2 point. I will click in here and click in here. Next, I will create curve wall. You can click this icon. Okay, click at this point to this point, and then you can click in here. Next, you can click outside here. Okay, you can delete this circle object. You also can create circle tangan in here and use a curve wall to create a curve wall. You can click this icon. Okay, tangan. I will choose 2 lines. You can click this first point and second point, and I will give radius 1. Okay, next I will use a curve wall to create curve from this point into this point, and you can click in here. Okay, next I will click inside to create a curve wall. I will delete this circle object. Okay, to remove this wall object, you can use this icon. Lengthen or shorten, you can click, and then you can click in here, click to this point. Okay, click in here again, click to this point. Okay, very easy to use a curve wall with circle or tangan circle. Okay, for example, I will create again with 2 point in here and in here with a radius 1, and we create a curve wall. Okay, I will click at this point into this point and click in here and click outside. Next, you can delete this circle and use lengthen or shorten command to cut this wall object. Okay, and I will cut again to this point. Okay, with this curve wall, you can create a door or a window. You can click this icon. Okay, I will use a door. Okay, and you can create in here door, or you can create windows. You can click here windows and click OK. I will create windows in here. Okay, you also can create windows in here. Okay, this is a basic Dibac CAD tutorial how to use curve wall. If you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video. And see you next time in another Dibac CAD basic tutorial.